Online biology tutorials, your guide to clear and confident science pronunciation. From anatomy to bioinformatics, we break down complex biology terms for learners worldwide. Let's make scientific language simple, accurate, and unforgettable. The word for today is frontal lobe. Frontal lobe. Frontal lobe helps in making the decisions. It also helps in planning and personality. So, that was the correct pronunciation of this word. If you ever find any word tricky to pronounce, just drop it in the comment section and I will be happy to help you out. Here is the term chosen for the upcoming video. Some more videos to help you with more precise science pronunciation.